Have you ever pondered the possibilities of earning money online? In the age of the internet, a myriad of platforms have emerged, creating the perfect storm of opportunity for those willing to take the plunge. Today, we're going to explore 5 such platforms, each with its own unique approach to helping you boost your income. First on our list is Upwork. This global freelancing platform connects professionals and agencies from around the world. From web development to content writing, graphic design to social media marketing, Upwork offers a wide range of categories. The beauty of Upwork lies in its flexibility. You can work on a project-by-project basis or establish long-term relationships with clients. The platform also provides tools for communication, file sharing, and secure payment methods, ensuring a smooth and secure work environment. Next up, we have Fiverr. Fiverr is an online marketplace for freelance services, perfect for those who are experts in their field. Unlike Upwork, Fiverr lets you set up a gig with a fixed price, offering your services to potential buyers. This platform is ideal for those who prefer to have more control over their pricing and project scope. Plus, Fiverr's rating and review system helps you build a solid reputation over time. Third on our list is Amazon Mechanical Turk, or MTurk. This platform is a little different. It allows businesses and researchers to outsource their processes and jobs to a distributed workforce who can perform these tasks virtually. Tasks can be as simple as identifying objects in a photo or video, or more complex like conducting surveys. MTurk may not make you a millionaire, but it's a good place to start if you're looking to make some extra cash. Next, we delve into the world of online teaching with Udemy. If you're an expert in a particular subject, Udemy could be the perfect platform for you. Here, you can create and sell your own online courses. The platform provides all the tools you need to create engaging content, and with over 40 million students worldwide, there's a vast potential audience for your expertise. Finally, we have Etsy. This online marketplace is perfect for those with a creative streak. From handmade crafts to vintage items, digital art to unique jewelry, Etsy is a haven for unique and creative goods. Selling on Etsy allows you to reach a global audience, and the platform provides tools to help you manage and grow your business. So there you have it, 5 platforms, each offering a unique avenue to earn money online. Whether you're a creative genius, a tech wizard, or a seasoned professional, there's a platform out there tailored to your skills and interests. So why wait? The world of online earning awaits.